Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to get the baby or pet or business name inspiration with Cici AI. How to do that? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So this tutorial might be suitable if you would like to searching for the name or if you need the inspiration of the name for your children or your pet or your business or your organization. So this is the AI will ready to help you. So the first step you need to do is, of course, you can install this Cici AI first. And here I will access it from my Android phone, and if you are the user of the iOS phone or the iPhone, then you can simply install it from the App Store. And right after the installation process is done, then you can simply open it and do the login first with your email.
Hey, nice to meet you. I'm Cici, your humorous, friendly, and helpful friend. You can ask me for answers, recommendations, advice, and anything on your mind.
So this is the greeting that you will receive or that you will get whenever you open the Cici AI for the first time or if you have just restart the Cici AI. And after that, since we would like to get the inspiration to create the name, we can go to the chat on the top left corner menu over here. And if you don't find any chat or chatbot, then don't worry because you can find it out from the Discover. And after that, I will type name generator. And this is the chatbot that will help us to create the inspiration name. Click it. And unfortunately, that this CC or this chatbot of name generator doesn't provide you the audio, but you can start the conversation and you can choose these questions that has been provided as the recommendation. If you would like to create the unique baby name, you can click it, or you can choose the catchy name about the new tech startup, and also the name for your virtual game even. And for example, I will paste my prompt. For example, I want to build a sustainable business that provide the service to set the solar panel for the low-income society in Southeast Asia. Give me the name, inspiration about my business, and after that I will enter it. And this chatbot will give you the several inspiration of your business name. There are Solarize, eSun Energy, Greenleaf, Aura Solar, EcoRay, and Sustain Asia. Isn't that cool, right? So, if you would like to try this Cici AI, don't forget to install it first. And I hope this video finds you helpful. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment down below because we would love to see your comments there. And also don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe this channel to watch more another video. I'll see you another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.